Hi everyone, Archana here. I am here with a really cute album. It's a mini album as you can see, and I have a kit ready for this album which I am going to post real soon on YouTube. And this is baby theme as you can see here, and I have used a 6x6 paper stack by Lemon Craft, the collection called Lullaby, and it's really cute collection. It's for girl and boy, so you can use either one or both. So I used both girl and boy theme here. That's what you are seeing, pink and blues here. And I have used tons of chipboards pieces by Scrapnik boards, which you can see inside. They are so cute. I'm sure you will like. And this is not very hard to decorate or create this album, and this album is already ready-made chipboard album by Prima, and this album is included in this kit, so you just need to embellish them as per you want. So here you can see there is a chipboard called Precious Memories, super cute chipboards. I didn't use any gesso or any kind of color on this chipboard, since these chipboards comes in ivory white color, and I really like this original color. But if you want, you can glimmer mist or use any kind of ink to create as per you want. And I have used Prima cute little butterflies here. They are by Misty Rose collection, I think, from, and some of the Prima flowers you can see here. And these laces are also by Lemon Craft. And let's open it. Here is a small pocket I have created, and the words "Here I am," and there is a baby, cute little baby. And even though it's a small album, there are tons of spaces for your pictures. So you can see right here, you can put a couple of pictures here, or even on the back side of this. And here also there is a cute little wagon here, a old looking wagon, and there is a baby. So cute, right? And I think that baby is telling us I'm here, so I just use these together. You can use any of them. I'm showing you all the chipboards, so you can mix match as per your choice. And there is also a small pocket I have created, this one, so you can just use it, or you can just leave it out if you want to show this image. And there are 6 total pages. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 pockets I have created. So you can see right here, there is one pocket for your picture journaling, and I have used seam binding just to show there is a pocket in there. And one more cute little page, and there is also one insert here, and another cute little page here, and the saying is a little angel, and there is a butterfly. It's very simple album, but it's very cute. And another page. So all these pages are just the simple page, just like I'm showing you right now. All these pages are similar, using other cutouts from the collection. And another page, I will just quickly cut this seam binding, which this thread is annoying little bit. And here you can see this cute little old wagon. Isn't it cute? And I have used butterfly, of course they're all over, but and there is another slot for your page or some journaling. Here is also one page, and here is this old looking wagon, you can see. So it's a perfect match, right? And another this page here. And here I love this hot air balloon, and there are hot air balloon papers in this Lullaby collection, so it's perfect. Really cute. So it's a big page, you can see, tons of spaces for your pictures. And here memory captured, cute little sayings are here, and another page. Again there is a hidden pocket on this page, and on the back there is very pretty bassinet, you can see, and beautiful quilted page here. It's perfect for this bassinet theme, right? Super cute quilt. And there is another slot here for your pictures, and here sweet dreams, and there is also a slot here for your picture. And look at this baby, how cute, isn't she pretty? My goodness, I love this collection, and from long I was waiting for this album, but I couldn't gather all things together earlier. So finally I got everything and I created this kit for you. So feel free to check my next video for the kit purchase. There is another slot, and you can see all these cute little images everywhere on this collection. And the other side there is another pocket, you can see. So even though it's very tiny petite album, there are so many spaces for your pictures and journaling. So I kept this page just the plain one, but you can use this page as a like a photo holder kind of thing. So if you just slide this one, I stick it all the way, but if you stick just the joy word, you can slide any type of picture or small tiny tickets or something, but I kept it simple. And look at this baby, oh so cute, so cute. And then the back side is, again you can see this is hot balloon or hot air balloon image, and baby sleeping on there, so cute. And there is another slot for your picturing, journals, everything. So one more time I will flip through this album, since I'm not sure if I was on the frame. I was showing this album and I wasn't paying attention on my screen, so let me flip it again for you. And this is very simple album, I just embellished with the papers, that's it. But if you want, you can use any baby kind of small shabby chic trims or anything like those kind of these kind of rosettes, but I don't have a very matching rosette ribbon, so I didn't. This album doesn't have any closure, but if you want you can make your own closure. But I think I have a Graphic 45 box. This is the box by Graphic 45. It is perfect for this album. So if you don't use any bulky embellishment in this album, that album will not be like this big, so it can easily slide in this box. This is the perfect box, and you can just use this thing to close, but my album is little bulky, so this box doesn't work. But this is an idea. If you want a box and your album is flat, you can use this box by Graphic 45. And I'll just go through again one more time. So this is our album. Super cute album, and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching.